having depression and anxieties. When I realized the problem with the people is that 60 or 70% of the reason of depressions and anxiety is comparison. People share me their issues because they say me that they have obtained a good qualification from the reputed universities, they have scored good marks, and many things are there. But they couldn't obtain a good job, they couldn't accomplish their career dreams. Someone has done that, their close one and friends and relatives have already accomplished, but they are failed to reach their destiny and they become sad. They say that, sir, I have only this, and they have many things. They are working there, they have living a good life, and they are living happily, they have a good homes, and they good cars, and a good job, and a good boss, and a good business, and many things are there. But I am not having this. How can I reach the same level of their life? My dear friends, your reason of happiness, your reason of depression, your reason of anxiety is you. You cannot live someone else's life. Don't try to copy someone. Don't try to live someone else's life. You cannot live someone else's life. You can only live your life. If you are trying to live someone else's life, if you are trying to copy someone else's success, someone else's home, someone else's car, someone else's job or money is making you unhappy, then you are in a real trouble. Because you're not someone else. You are you. Your uniqueness, your greatness. You cannot be someone else. No one can smile like you. No one can talk like you. No one can do things like you. You are different. You are entirely unique. Don't try to copy someone, my dears. Your uniqueness, your greatness. You have a different talent. You have a unique talent. You have a unique skill. Identify your greatness. Identify your uniqueness. Strengthen that and be you. Living happy and being happiness is more greater than achieving someone else's success. Living happy is more greater than chasing someone's dream and someone's goal. Don't chase someone else's success. Don't chase someone else's accomplishment. You only chase your dream and your uniqueness. When you do so, you are living yourself. That is the purpose of yourself. That is the purpose in this universe. Otherwise, the goal the universe has created, everyone is in the same form. Universe doesn't like that. Universe doesn't do it like that. Everyone has a different talent, different uniqueness, and different capacities. Your uniqueness is your greatness. Identify your uniqueness and try to live your uniqueness. You are great and you are here to live successfully. You are here to live happily. You are here to live peacefully. Don't be depressed and don't compare with someone else. You are different and you're unique. Don't compare